Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2019 Triumph Street Twin 900. This is Triumph's mid-size sport standard motorcycle. Has the 900cc 2-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has only 8,139 miles on the odometer. Bike is in great condition. ABS brakes, like new tires, front and rear. The 900cc 2-cylinder fuel-injected engine makes good power. At-the-market exhaust. Bike sounds very good. Fender eliminator kit, integrated turn signals and taillight. Bike is in great condition. Nice upright seating position. Lots of fun to ride around town in the back roads. Priced at only $75.99 with finance options available. Stop on by and check it out.